How do I find and use the ID card copy feature on my Kyocera copier? Stick around to find out. Hey everyone, welcome to AIS Tech Tips. I'm Marissa, filling in for Dr. Copy. ID card copy is a popular feature on most Kyocera copiers, but for some of you, it might be hard to find, and you're probably lost on how to use it. But don't worry, it's actually pretty simple. Before we touch anything on the copier's panel, make sure you have paper in paper tray 1. ID card copy uses paper from this tray. On the home page of your copier display screen, you should see a tab labeled ID card copy on the right-hand side. If you don't see it, click the Program tab on the bottom, and then you should see ID card copy as an option. Now you're ready to scan. Now open your scanner bay and place your ID inside the guidelines labeled Statement. Don't place your ID anywhere on the outside of these guidelines. Now close your scanner and press the Start button on your panel. After scanning of side 1 is complete, you can then open your scanner and flip the ID to scan the other side. Close the scanner and press the Start button on your panel. After both sides are scanned, select the Finish Scan option on your display screen. You then should have one page with both sides of the ID scanned and ready to go. If your copier, printer, or MFP still isn't working after going through our video, then place a service call to one of our licensed technicians. AIS operates in Las Vegas, Nevada, Palm Desert, San Diego, and Corona, California. So call or text us if you're in the area at 855-448-4247. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel on YouTube, the Copier channel. Our other videos can help you through tech tips, important questions, and all things related to office technology solutions. I'm Marissa, and remember, you can worry less with AIS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.